everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Swaraj Prajapati. So today I'm going to solve LeetCode number 13, Roman to integer. So what this problem statement says, it is given like one symbol, like Roman integer, Roman value, like I, the value for integer is 1. Similarly, IV from 1 to 1000, it will be giving all the symbols and its values. So what you have to do, it is given like S of integer, like triple I, and we have to calculate what does this mean, like 1 plus 1 that is 3, it will return 3. So what is my approach for this? So first we can take like an unordered map and one character and one integer type m1, and I will store all the symbol and values in this software, in this pair. So what I will do next, we will like int result, where we show all these values of it integer type. So I will take integer res result, which I will initialize with 0. Now we can directly use for loop for this. I use 0 and goes to as dot length I press plus, and we will check the condition, because like there is no any value of 4, like this 50 to make 4 and 9. So what we'll do, we'll calculate the value from this, like if s, okay, m1 of s of I is greater than m1 of is less than m1 of s of I plus 1. So what we will do, we will subtract the value, like minus equal to m1 of s of I, or I will directly, in else condition, I will add this value. And directly we return result. When we run the code, where this passes all my test case, and like we can see this MCM, this is 4 I and V for 4. So it will also passes our test case condition. We will go to submit button.